Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow. I want to share this die collection with you. It's called Concord. There should be an ampersand here. Concord and Ninth. Everyday Purse is the name of it. And these are the parts right there. You've got the purse cut out, which is the front and the back of this. And different pieces and parts, okay? These are just some extra things I keep in here. Now, I made a little book insert for this. This is a gift for a new baby for the mom and dad. And the little book insert, you can find all of this information at Becky, I think it's Roberts. Becky Roberts, yeah, of Inking Idaho. All right, so if you want to do a screenshot of that, her instructions are there on how to make the little book insert. That is not part of the die set. Okay, this cool thing can be fringe on your purse, or it can be in, it can be a little tassel. For this project, I made it a tassel, okay? And then the die cut has this tag, and I just trimmed down the pink, and then I die cut the flower out of a Stampin' Up! Die set. There is this really weird little piece here that I didn't even know what to do with it. Right here. And all this is a notch that goes in your purse so it will accept this closure. And here's how that plays out in the purse. You see how this is? And I put just a little candy dot from Stampin' Up. It's retired. Anyway, you open it like this, and you see the little notch thing fits in the little thing. Okay. Then when you open the purse, and she's got instructions that when you're making it an actual purse, you're going to have this gusseted side piece, but you're going to cut that off if you want to do the book. Okay. So it goes like this, and I'm going to put a little note in this that just tells the mom, you know, we're just talking about landmarks, like when the baby was born, and then over here, just a few things they did at 1 month, you know, rolled over or whatever they do. It's been a while for me since I've had little ones. 2 months, here's a teeny tiny little way to keep a note. 3 months, they're doing a little more. 4 months, they can put a picture in here or they can write on it. It kind of goes like this. Okay. 5 months, got a little book looking thing. So cute. This is an old Stampin' Up. Everything in here is just out of my studio, just things that I've had, including the paper. So at 6 months, they start getting a little more interesting. 7 months, got a little more space to write. 8 months, 9 months, 10, 11, and then 12 months, happy birthday. And then it says sweet, and you close it, and it goes like this. So I had an absolute blast creating this, and I'm hoping that the mom will enjoy it, using it as much as I enjoyed making it. So this is the whole thing here, and I'm just going to put a note in there and tell her how to use it. So that's it. And again, if you're interested in this, Concord and Ninth, and it's called Everyday Purse, and there are 16 pieces to the die, and I bought mine at Impressive Ideas in Atlanta. They do ship. You could contact them and ask if they ship outside of the U.S. If you live outside of the U.S., I don't know. And I don't know if this person is still there, but I do know that the owner is Miriam. Well, I think she's the owner. Anyway, you can do a screenshot of this and keep a brick and mortar in business by supporting them. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks so much. God bless. Toodles.